Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you my eyebrow routine. It took me a long time to grow my eyebrows out because in like the 5th or 6th grade we plucked them really really tiny, and I grew them out for at least like 2 years, and after that I got them threaded for the first time, which got them shaped, and now I've been growing them out. I used to get them threaded a lot, like constantly, to keep them looking good, and I haven't been back in almost a year now. And then myself, you know, plucking little hairs. I've been cutting them so that they're still nice and even and not as bushy as they can get. So I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching.